What would happen if the moon suddenly started crashing into Earth? Would it be the end of human civilization, or would we witness the most beautiful death in the history of the solar system? Today, we're breaking down the science of a lunar collision and why it's not just a catastrophe, it's a physics nightmare. Before any impact, Earth would descend into chaos. As the moon gets closer, its gravity would wreak havoc on our oceans, causing massive tidal surges that would swallow coastal cities whole. You would see deep-sea creatures surfacing in shallow waters and bird migration completely broken. Because they navigate by the moon, they would be lost. Even our magnetic poles would become unstable, making navigation and communication almost impossible. It's nature's own early warning system screaming that something is wrong. But here's the most mind-bending part. The collision almost never happens. Scientists call this the Roche limit. This is the critical distance where a celestial body held together by its own gravity is shredded by the gravitational tidal forces of a larger planet. As the moon crosses this invisible line, it wouldn't hit Earth as a solid rock. Instead, it would literally shatter. It would break into billions of pieces, forming a stunning Saturn-like debris ring around our planet. While we've avoided the impact, we've inherited a death sentence. Without the moon to stabilize our tilt, Earth's axis would begin to wobble uncontrollably. This means our seasons would vanish, replaced by long, erratic cycles of extreme heat and glacial ice ages. Plus, those billions of moon rocks, they would constantly rain down on us as lethal meteor showers, turning our blue planet into a hostile, crater-filled world. The moon is the silent guardian of life on Earth. Without it, our future wouldn't just be different, it would be a struggle for survival. Do you think humanity could survive on a ringed Earth? Drop your theories in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more space deep dives.